Hello, good day. My name is Victoria Montoya and I am a citizen of the Philippines. I'm very grateful for this opportunity to introduce myself as I apply for a teaching position in the United States. I am passionate about education for how many years, and teaching has always been not just my profession but my calling. I earned my bachelor's degree in secondary education, major in mathematics in the Philippines, where I developed a strong foundation in mathematical concepts, pedagogical, and classroom instruction. After completing my degree, I obtained my professional teaching license in 2011, which officially qualified me to teach secondary level mathematics. Since then, I had continuously pursued growth in my teaching career through different teaching environments and experiences that shaped me both professionally and personally. I have more than 11 years of teaching experience in total. I started my teaching career at Mabini National High School in Davao City, Philippines, where I worked as a secondary mathematics teacher from 2011 to 2023. During these years, I handled different grade levels and taught various math topics such as algebra, geometry, statistics, basic mathematics, and problem-solving skills. I also work closely with students of different learning abilities, which helped me develop patience, adaptability, and strong classroom management skills. Aside from classroom instruction, I also served as Math Quiz Bee coach and mentor, where I trained students for academic competition. This experience allowed me to help students develop not only their mathematical skills, but also their confidence, discipline, and critical thinking abilities. After my teaching experience in the Philippines, I continued my teaching journey internationally. I work at Assumption College Lampang in Thailand as a primary mathematics teacher from 2023 to 2025. In this role, I taught younger learners, which helped me develop a more creative and interactive teaching approach. I also learned how to simplify complex concepts and makes learning more engaging through visuals, hands-on activities, and student-centered learning. Teaching in Thailand exposed me to a multicultural environment, work with students from different backgrounds and learning needs. This experience strengthened my communication ability, adaptability, and cultural awareness as a teacher. Currently, I am teaching under the Ministry of Preschool and School Education of the Republic of Uzbekistan as an EFL teacher, starting from December 2025 and continuing until May 2026. I am teaching in a full-time classroom setting from grade 7 to grade 11, working with secondary level students in a structured national education system. This role further expanded my teaching experience beyond mathematics, which allows me to teach English language skills such as reading, writing, speaking, and listening across different grade levels and proficiency levels. It also given me an opportunity to work with adolescent learners in a diverse and dynamic classroom environment. Through this experience, I developed a strong skills in English instruction, language adaptation, classroom management, and helping students learning English as second language. It also helped me grow more flexible as an educator, since I now both teach mathematics and English in different contexts, and adjusting my strategies depending on students' needs and grade levels. Throughout my teaching career, my main responsibilities have included planning and preparing lessons aligned with curriculum standards, delivering engaging and meaningful instruction, assessing student progress, and providing feedback to support improvement. I also manage classroom behavior to ensure a safe, respectful, and productive learning environment. In addition, I support students of different learning abilities by using differentiated instruction strategies, allowing each learner to succeed at their own pace. I also communicate with parents and colleagues when necessary to support students' development and academic progress. One of my most meaningful accomplishments as a teacher is seeing my students grow in confidence and improve their academic performance. Whether in mathematics or in English, I always aim to help my students overcome their fear in learning difficult subjects. I also focus on creating a classroom environment where students feel free to ask questions, make mistakes, and learn from them. Because I believe when students feel supported, they become more motivated and engaged in learning. Another accomplishment I'm proud of is my ability to adapt to a different educational systems and cultural environments, which strengthen my teaching flexibility and global perspective. My teaching philosophy is based on the belief that every learner has the ability to succeed given the right support, audience, and learning environment. I believe that learning should not be stressful or intimidating, but instead engaging, meaningful, and connected to real-life situations. In my classroom, I always aim to make my lessons clear, interactive, and student-centered. I encourage critical thinking, problem solving, and active participation. I also believe in the importance of patience, consistency, and high expectation because I believe students perform better when teachers believe in their potential. I strive to create a classroom environment that is respectful, inclusive, and supportive, where students feel valued and motivated to learn. As an educator, I am committed to continuous improvement. I always reflect on my teaching practices and look for ways to enhance my instruction. I am open in learning new strategies, integrating technology into my lessons, and adapting to the needs of diverse learners. Teaching in different countries helped me grow professionally and personally, which strengthened my desire to continue building a global teaching career. In conclusion, I am dedicated, passionate, and experienced educator who is eager to contribute to a school community in the United States. I bring with me more than a decade of teaching experience both in mathematics and English, international teaching exposure, and a strong commitment for student success. I am very excited for this opportunity to share my skills, learn from others, and continue growing as a teacher. Thank you so much for your time and consideration.